Everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all of my finished jewelry for the bargain bead box for October of 2023, Falling Leaves. I did 2 necklaces, 1 pair of dangle earrings, and a memory wire bracelet. And I made 3 tutorials out of it. I will leave all the links below. I'll start with the jewelry in the order of the tutorials that I did. So this was my first one that I made. And let me set these up like right here. So I made this necklace and I did the toggle clasp, and then I put just little pops of color of the rose gold in there, and I added some brown in there just to kind of mute out some of the rose gold because I love it in little quantities, you know, as an accent. But I don't like it too much, so I did this, and this was my first tutorial that I did. I will leave the link to this below. I really loved this box. I wasn't sure when I opened it up. I was kind of like, but you know, just that little bit of crackle agate in there. I mean, look at that. Look how pretty that looks. These, and then the leaves, and I kind of did. Everything is kind of matches for this box, except for the earrings. The earrings are a little different, but I didn't add any dark to it. But so I have this for the necklace. Then this is my second tutorial. This is more of like a choker necklace, and I did the same little pops of color in the rose gold, and then I used this beautiful leaf pendant that they gave us. And then I added some little lighter colored wood beads to this, going in between the crystal bicones, because I, wanted to mute out some of the sparkle in between. Love these barrel beads. So yeah, so this was the other one that I did. I love the way this one turned out. I'm doing a craft show this weekend, so I'm pre-filming all of this ahead of time because I'm going to bring all this to the craft show, but I want you guys to see it. So it's craft season, so craft show season, so I'm partaking in this. Okay, so this was the second one. Then these are the earrings that I made. I did a tutorial with these. It was a pretty quick tutorial. I already made one of the earrings, and then I just showed you how I make it. So I just did different lengths of that meter of chain that they gave us, and then I dangled the little leaves on it, and then I put this rose gold leaf at the bottom. And I used one of the faceted aventurine beads in the leaf beads, those little rose gold spacers. And then I just used one of my rose gold eye pins and one of my rose gold jump rings, and then 2 of the rose gold ear wires. So I love the way this turned out too. I think I was really happy with this. I had a total creative spurt with this box. So then I have these, and then I ended up making another memory wire bracelet, and I added some of my little, hold on one second. I think these are 8-ohs. Yeah, these are 8-oh. They're like an olive green seed bead. And then I used those little wood beads again. And then I used some of my smaller beads. I think these are 11-ohs. And, oh wait. No, these are 8-ohs too. Okay, and then I just kind of used those little discs, wooden discs still, in some of my wooden beads. And then I put the aventurine leaf beads for the corners. Look at how pretty this turned out. It just turned out so pretty. And this is, talk about fall jewelry here. So, I mean, you can wear this with this, you know, everything kind of matches. I did use a silver memory wire because there was a little silver on these right there on the thing, so I figured it would be okay. So yeah, so this is all of my jewelry. So I'm excited. I'm doing this craft fair this weekend. I hope it goes well. I've got 3 of them. So 1 tomorrow and then a couple more next month. So yeah, so this is where I'm at with all of this jewelry. So like I said, I'll leave the links below and let me know what you think of it. And if you've used any of these tutorials to make anything, I'd be interested to hear how it turned out. I hope I helped you figure out what to do with the rose gold if you weren't a fan, and if you were a fan, you're happy this month. So I will leave a link below to Bargain Bead Box as well, and all of my social media. And I will see you on my next video, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.